Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use auto velocity to create cool effects in CapCut PC. So if you're new to CapCut on PC and want to create smooth cinematic slow-mo and speed ramp effects with just a click, in this tutorial I'll show you exactly how you can use the auto velocity in CapCut to make your videos look hot without complex editings. So what you need to do is just add the video. In here, the video that you want to edit is usually for a dance video like this, and I'm going to just go split the video first, and I'm going to apply the velocity effects to the second part of the video. And to find the auto velocity, you can just go to effects in here, and under the video effects you can scroll down until you find the motions category. Click on it and you'll easily spot the auto velocity. So what you need to do is just drag and drop the effects to the part that you want to add. So I'm going to just drag in here and apply it to the second part of my video. And as you guys can see, now CapCut will applying the auto velocity to my clips. And don't forget to add musics so that the auto velocity match with the beats of the musics. But this is just an example, so I'm going to just apply it to my clips. Let's just wait until it's done. Okay, so now the effects has been applied. Okay, let's see the results. So this is the normal video look like, and let's see how the auto velocity affects the video. So this is the auto velocity, and that's it. So that's how you can apply auto velocity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the thanks, and also drop a comment if you have question. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye.